Hi everyone, it's great to see you. I'm out on the deck with the seedlings. They've all come up out of the basement and boy, are they glad to see the real light of day. One of my geraniums is in bloom and isn't this pretty? This is the bicolor that has that soft pink and a little bit of white. I just love it. And a bunch of these are sending up bud stalks here, but they haven't bloomed. So here's my problem. I told myself I would keep the three colors that I planted of geraniums separate and I would know which ones were which. And over all the many transplantings and everything, I have no idea which geraniums are which colors now. So I planted this pretty bicolor, I planted a deeper rose color, and I planted a coral color. They all are in that pink color. The coral color actually looked to me pink. It was the color that Laura did her mass planting of on Garden Answer last year. Absolutely beautiful. And in my mind, I want to do a mini version of that. So I have one little corner of the garden that gets plenty of sunlight that I'm just gonna carpet in these seedlings. I really feel like this bicolor and the rose color can be intermingled together. If I happen to see some that bloom coral, I'm just gonna dig them up and replace them with one of the others. And right now, I just wanna get them in the ground. They're showing some signs of stress. And the truth is they don't have enough nutrients in these small little pots. They need to be in the ground, getting their regular watering and feeding out in the open. So I think it's best for everyone if we get planting. No, this is fine. We good?
All right.
So this is really looking good. A ton of geraniums. I did not count them, but definitely more than I would have gone out and bought for myself. starting them from seed just has given me this opportunity to plant tons of flowers, and I love that. It makes all those months of work worth it. As I was planting, I was really pleased to see that there were a lot of earthworms, not jumping worms, in the garden, and it looked like it was really good soil. Now, you know that geraniums leaves turn red when they're stressed. We had this problem when they needed to be potted up, and I really feel like their problem here, the reason they've been stressed inside, is they were ready to be transplanted out here. You probably noticed me sprinkling biotone into each of the little holes I dug, so they're going to have plenty of nutrients now and sunlight, and I'm going to make sure they get watered well. So I think that this is just what they need. We'll have to see what color they end up all blooming, but a lot of them have buds on them, so it won't be too long to wait. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.